In this dark Halloween of 2018, we find our intrepid hero trying to battle a fire-breathing monster, the green, dark Westfield. A Westfield SEIW. It's got a Ford CBH engine in it, which doesn't sound very impressive. But do you know it's got two Webers bolted on it, and then pretty much a racing cam stuck in it. So it's making 130 brake in a car that weighs 500 kilograms. There's only one word to describe this thing, and that word is terrifying. As a car, well, you'd have to be completely insane to use this as your daily. I drove this from Daventry to the Brighton sort of area where I live. It's about 130 miles, and genuinely every part of my body hurts. I had blisters on my hands. My feet were freezing, my knees didn't work anymore. I have bruises on the side of my body. The boot is minuscule, it essentially doesn't have one. The doors are laughable, and as you can see I've taken them off, so now there's no doors. When they're on, there's no room for your arm. When they're off, your arm will freeze to death. This isn't a car for getting you to A to B. This isn't a car that you can put up with to get you from A to B. This is a car built for one thing: to be fun and fast. It's got a competition clutch in it, so that took a bit of learning. Well, I don't know if it's a full competition, but it's definitely an aggressive clutch. The pedal is 4-hinge, so that's kind of interesting to get used to. Cable operated, of course, because people who build these cars don't understand hydraulics, apart from the brakes, which are often old for Cortina. I think, Stephen, this is a car that can go the speed of most supercars of the 1990s, or at least the 80s. Are you sure you want brakes from a Cortina? But the car's so light that the brakes are excellent. And with the work that this car's had done by its previous owners, the pedal has a long travel and lots of feel in it. So it's very easy to get them on the edge of locking up, but not lock them up. Right next to my hand I have a brake bias adjuster, which means if I lock up the rears I can bring in more to the front and vice versa. No mistaking it, this thing was built for the track. But it's also slightly softer than some of the absolute mad track animals. So you can, when the weather's nice, take it on these little country roads and have an absolute blast with it. But remember, if the weather's cold, wear your thermals. There's no heater, and there's no doors. Well, there are doors, but you don't want them on. That's another thing, the indicator is a switch on the dash. Very confusing, and no self-cancelling. Now why have I bought this car? Well, part of me's definitely always wanted a 7. So that little bit is kind of happy with me. And many of you will know that I wanted to design and build my own car from scratch for a little project that I've got going on, to try and make a different design to what I put in the Autocar called the Next Generation Award, but the same principle, an active camber suspension system work. Now, after deciding making my own vehicle might be a bit of a task, I went and looked what had independent suspension all round, double wishbone, that was easily modifiable. Yeah, I wanted something easily modifiable. Happens to be a fire-breathing monster! Purely coincidental, you understand? Bumps! Whoa, the bumps aren't off! It might be time to talk about the steering. It's really fast. Yes, mate, you see better. There you go. It's really fast. The steering ratio, it's at 2.1 turns lock to lock. That's fast for my MG steering. And it takes a bit of getting used to. When you first drive it, you'll find yourself wandering all over the place. But you quickly get used to it. And what you get out of that is A, you can quickly respond to things, and B, you feel every little thing that's on the road. Yeah, you can feel everything imaginable on the road. It's ridiculous. It's so communicative. If you want a supercar, but you ain't got the money, buy one of these. And you'll get the performance, you'll get a much better driving experience, you'll get the sound, and then, so you have the ability to drive it every day, buy an old Skoda Octavia Estate, or anything really. I mean, Fiat Punto, Corsa, it doesn't matter. Those two cars combined, one of these and anything reliable you can find, is way better than any singular supercar. And this is only running 130 brake. I hate to imagine what the Caterham 620R is like. That's got 310 horsepower. Weighs development brand or whatever it's called Crossley Dynamics. There'll be a link to the Facebook page, and there will be a YouTube channel of that soon. For that coming soon. This channel won't have any of the build process on it, but it will have driving and things. The reason I'm keeping those separate is just because I want to set up an engineering firm at some point in my life, and if this project goes well, I'd like to have that as something I can show off. And I don't want it tainted with other videos that maybe are a little bit silly. Good Halloween. Don't get too drunk or eat too many sweeties, and I'll see you in the next